Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Apify with Claude AI. To follow along with this video, we have to keep in mind that we must have Claude installed on our desktop. It won't allow us to make this connection if we're using Claude from the website. So it's important to install Claude on your computer, whether for Android or iOS. Okay, once this small clarification is taken into account, now we can move on to the connection section. It's actually very easy. We're going to expand the page, this section here, the navigation bar, and we go to our profile. And in the settings section, we are going to click. In this section, a small settings window will pop up. Now we are going to look at the side. In sidebar, we'll look for where it says connectors under the customize section. We're going to click on connectors, and here we'll see the connectors we have, whether already integrated, connected, or unconnected. In this case, I'm going to click on the button at the top that says add to be able to add Apify. We're going to click on explore connectors, and once loaded, this connector section will appear. We can search and we can see that it gives us a countless number of connectors that we can add to Claude. In this case, the one we are interested in is Apify. So we are going to search for it directly from the search bar. To add the connection, you are going to click on the plus sign. Here it will give us a brief summary of what is it about. It will show that all the requirements are met, alongside a short summary of its development and what Apify will be useful for. In this case, we are going to click on install and then click accept. Once we have installed Apify, it will appear in the connector section. Before being able to use it, we have to quickly configure it. So we are going to enter, and it will ask to complete the required fields below to enable this section. You can enable it and enter the Apify API token here to start using Apify as a connector.